I'm Wes Deckard. I'm a staff software engineer at Jack Henry. So we follow good practices, good guidelines, good software development principles to help us be at the cutting edge of what we do.
I started at Jack Henry about 11 years ago, and after having spoken to multiple people that I knew were working at Jack Henry, it became very clear to me that I wanted to become a part of that team.
I'm working on stuff that helps people in their day-to-day life. I know exactly where my code is being used and what it's doing to help people out there. And it's really nice to know that we're actively always trying to improve our work and keep people safe, especially with such an important thing as people's livelihood and money.
Whenever it comes to the financial services industry, we are in kind of the middle of this modernization era. And it's super important for our teams, our engineers, our talent pools to kind of be ahead of the curve to a certain point whenever we're taking on projects that are going to push our customers to the future. So whenever it comes to digital transformation as a company, it's super important for us to look at that modernizing the tech stack, taking advantage of some of those different training opportunities.
One of the big advantages I've gotten from Jack Henry in my time here is their willingness to allow us to train on new technologies instead of always going out and finding new resources that have the talents for that. They are willing to take existing employees and give us the training that we need.
In terms of engineering compared to other places I've worked for, it's just a better experience overall. I've been at places where we had to focus more on hey, we have to get the product out. Well, we don't necessarily focus on the engineering aspect of it. Here, I feel like the code is pretty sound. It's solid principles, we have good design practices. I feel happy coding here.
One of the things I know that makes me feel important and know that I'm important at Jack Henry is all the teammates in management that I work with. I can just walk into the same room and we respect each other with the same opinion of one another.
Most everybody that's in a position senior to me always has something to offer me, always has an experience either from another job or from the job they're on now to increase my expertise.
They make me be better every day, right? That's what leadership's supposed to do. They're supposed to help work for you to make you be the best that you can be, and I feel like that's top notch at Jack Henry.
So we have so many different backgrounds and people with unique ideas, and it's awesome that we can all just come together and collaborate with one another. So Jack Henry is definitely looking out for people, and I really appreciate that.
We care that you have a life and you have stuff going on and everything, and we are flexible in that, and we give you the environment to grow as an individual as well as a professional.
If you're looking for an engineering role at Jack Henry, I would strongly recommend it. And we have a wide variety of tech stacks, so there's probably something that's going to fit pretty much anybody.
If you want to know that you're working on important tools that help people in their day-to-day life and have fun doing it, you should work for Jack Henry.
You